Taiwanese phone maker HTC has an impending flagship smartphone launch set for later this year, and the rumor mill has begun speculating the expected design and features of the upcoming HTC U12. A new report suggests that the 2018 flagship will borrow most of its design elements from the previously launched HTC U11 and HTC U11 Plus. According to the report, the HTC U12 will sport a metal frame sandwiched between curved glass on the front as well as back of the phone. Additionally, we can also expect a new matte white finish on the phone. According to a report by HTCSource, the metal and glass design of the HTC U12 will be borrowed from last year's HTC U11 flagship. Add to that, much like the HTC U11 Plus, the U12 will have a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. And, lastly, a source in the report has shared information about a new matte white finish for the HTC U12, never seen before on an HTC smartphone. HTC U12 specifications. Just recently, developer Lobtufer had revealed most specifications expected in the upcoming HTC U12. These include the presence of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, up to 6GB RAM, up to 256GB inbuilt storage, a 5.99-inch QHD and display, a 3420 mAh battery, an HTC EdgeSense UI 2.0 on top of Android 8.0 Aria out of the box. In terms of features, the HTC U12 is expected to come with IP68 waterproof rating, face unlock technology, single/dual SIM variants, and dual rear camera setup with 16-megapixel and 12-megapixel Sony sensors. While the design hasn't yet been revealed in renders or leaks, the HTC U12 was allegedly showcased at a 5G telecom event in Taiwan recently.